So we are doing this 4 boxes for the value, and then we'll draw a nice circle. I'm not using anything to draw a perfect circle, but you can use something. Now this line we are drawing as a smiley face kind of line, then that thing, and these lines we are drawing like a heart shape we do. And we have our apple ready here. Next thing, erase the extra lines and fix the apple with the curved line at the bottom. Next, we will need 4 colors in this. So first I'm taking red, white, yellow and orange. I'm starting with the white with the highlights. Highlight is the place where lights fall, and the next I'm doing the light red to make it good, and with the light shading. Now I'll show you the shading on it. With the more pressure it will become the dark red, then the light red, light orange, dark orange and yellow. Next is with the dark red color, do the shading properly on the side of the apple. Then the second value of the light red you can use in the corner, and I use the same red dark color for the other side of the apple as well. Next I'm taking the orange color and mixing it well with the less pressure, not a lot pressure, in the circular motion to merge all the colors in. Now I'm taking yellow color and I'm putting yellow on almost all the colors to make it unripe apple. Then next is I'm taking again the dark red and I'll do the same process, the shading in the circular motion. And I erase the extra colors went out of my drawing. And I'm coloring again, shading it again properly to the borders. And to make it more properly, the shading you have to do it again and again, maybe 2 to 3 times. Now I'm taking the brown color, and with that same brown color I'm doing the shadow as well. Shadow is always the opposite side of the light. Now I'm using this brown color to give the reflection effect on the side of the apple. And we are doing white again for the highlight, and this apple is almost ready, and my students are working on this. I will share the picture of these work with you guys soon. Please try it and kindly share the pictures with me. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.